In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed the new Microsoft Lists form in SharePoint Pages or Teams tab. We'll start in Microsoft Lists. Open the list that contains your new form, select the form you want people to fill out, and choose Send Form. This reveals a shareable link designed for responses. Copy that link. A quick tip, make sure the sharing and permissions on the form are set so your intended audience can access it. If only people in your organization should respond, keep it internal. If it needs to be public, confirm that your admin allows that. Next, head to the SharePoint page where you'd like the form to appear and click Edit. Decide where on the page the form should live. Above the fold is best if you want high response rates. In the web part picker, search for Embed and add the Embed web part to the section you chose. In the Embed box, you'll paste a simple HTML iframe that points to your copied form link. If you're not sure what that looks like, use something like iframe with a SRC set to your form link, width set to 100%, height around 800 pixels, and no border. Adjust the height to fit the length of your form so users don't have to scroll awkwardly. If you see a message that embedding isn't allowed, your SharePoint admin may need to permit embedding for the domain that hosts the form. When you're happy with the placement and the preview looks good, save or publish the page. After publishing, view the page as a typical visitor to confirm the form loads quickly and the submit button is visible without excessive scrolling. Now let's add the same form to Microsoft Teams. First, copy the URL of your Microsoft Lists form again so you have it ready on your clipboard. In the Teams channel where you want the form available, click the plus sign at the top to add a new tab. From the available tab types, choose Website. Give the tab a clear action-oriented name, something like Submit a Request or New Intake Form, so team members know exactly what it is. Paste the form URL into the URL field and save. Once the tab is created, test the experience in Teams, make sure the form renders correctly, try a quick test submission, and verify that responses land in your list as expected. Remember, users still need permission to the form and the underlying list to submit successfully. That's it. You've embedded your new Microsoft Lists form in a SharePoint page and added it as a Teams tab, making it easy for your audience to find and use.